Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Bryan, Mississippi on this specialized output RCI 69 base. What I mean by that is these normally do 80 or 90 watts. You'll see in video 1 of that. However, he needed something to do around 50 watts PEP. So what we do, we go through and we set the radio up, and then we go through and pull it back down. That way you still have that full bird swing that you need, and good crystal clear audio, and it looks good on the spectral purity. Let's just start with RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. There's a hair under a half a watt, just like you requested, Bryan. 5 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, a very safe 15 bird average. 50 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. 50 watts, and I'll roll it all the way down to show you. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. Still 50 watts. You got your ultra bright white LEDs in here. You don't have to worry about them dim weak lamps anymore. So we're gonna get this out to you, Bryan. Appreciate you. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.